Hey, what's up guys, it's Laashak again in a new video. Today we are going to talk about something really important, and the video is not going to be long. Well, this video is not a clickbait. So, let's talk about curved phones, curved phones. Yes, I did mean what I said. So I'm just going to remove this. What I have in hand is the Motorola Edge Plus. If you've been following the channel recently, I did unbox it. So here you have a big curved display. All this is display. So, well, what is the topic? I just want to know, tell you guys how to, whether decide if you want a curved phone or not. Since, you might say, wait, it looks futuristic, it's nice, it's cool. Yeah, it is. Until you see something like this. So this is a curved phone too. It's a Galaxy S9 and something that I used for my drop test. But guess what? Here, the whole thing is broken. The screen is broken. So how do we keep a curved phone safe? Well, that's a separate video linked in the description. Well, keeping a curved phone, do you have peace of mind? Probably not. Well, from now, as I'm a Samsung user, the old Samsung phones, from S6 to S9, I guess. So I've been always used to Edge phones, so like the curved waterfall display. So I'm okay with it. I've been safe with my phones and I didn't break it or anything. Well, I must say, if you are someone who doesn't use a case, probably curved phones aren't the best for you if you want it to be safe. And you probably can't get a proper screen guard for these. So you better get a good cover. For example, this one is not what you want to have on your phone. It will not protect really hard falls. So as I was mentioning before, this phone, like the edge part, is completely damaged just because of a fall. And like, if you can see, you have the screen which popped off. So having an edge display doesn't give you peace of mind if you don't have a cover in it. So basically, if you're not a person who keeps their device safe, probably edge displays aren't your solution. You have to get really rugged covers and keep it. Another thing about edge displays, before buying a phone with edge display, you can always read online. What I would say is it really useful? When I bought my first Edge phone, I was like, oh yeah, I do receive notifications. Well, probably after using the phone, you would realize it's not what you really want on a phone. You might be sacrificing way more. You will have contents hiding on the side. You will have accidental touches. If you're a person who gets mad, who can't tolerate accidental touches, then probably an Edge phone isn't for you. Then we again come across the protection, the same thing that we talked about before. What about your cover going only halfway? That means all this space isn't protected. The comfort of holding the phone is also decreased. And your buttons are also an important factor that you need to consider. The buttons go way down, and if you're a person who doesn't like your buttons behind the phone, then Edge wouldn't be something that you should consider. And that was it for this video. I've been talking about Edge phones and should you really buy them. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one. Subscribe for more tech content. And this is me signing off.